Hi everyone. So this is a given question. If x is equal to 2a plus 3 on 3a minus 2, express x minus 1 on 2x plus 1 in terms of a. So what does this question really want us to do? All they want us to do is start to do substitution, okay? To do some substitution here. That's all. So this expression here, which they want us to work on, is in terms of x right now. Is in terms of x. They now want us to rewrite this same expression in terms of a. So it means this expression should be rewritten with a's in it, okay? So meaning that wherever we see x, okay, because we know we said that x is equal to something here, that particular value of x is what to substitute wherever we see x in the given, okay. So let's look at it. So I'm rewriting this way. So I'm rewriting this expression this way, okay. So I have, okay, and because I want to write this x minus 1, I'm putting it into brackets to okay, minus 1. This is the x here. I've left space for it. And this 2x also is 2. Wherever I see x, I'll put the value in the plus 1. This plus 1 here. Okay. And so how do we do substitute it? So wherever I see x, I'll put this value there. So the value is 2a plus 3 on 3a minus 2. And the same thing, wherever I see x, I put this. So here is 2a plus 3 on 3a minus 2. So here, I'll do the operation here. Okay, this particular given, okay, I want to rewrite this in a kind of in a little simpler form, okay, because of this. So by removing the bracket, I'll have here 2a plus 3 on 3a minus 2 minus this one minus 1. Okay, and this the same thing here. Bodmer says that when there's multiplication here, bracket, and then the addition, then we tackle the multiplication first. So here 2 is outside multiplying the bracket, and since it is fraction, we multiply by only the denominator. Okay, so 2 times 2a is 4a plus 2 times 3 is 6 on the 3a minus 2. Now plus this one, plus 1. And remember, now these are two kind of work we have to do. We are now coming to work to do our algebra here. Okay, so when you have a on b minus c, okay, this is in the form of a on b minus c. How do we operate this? How do we do the operation here? We want to write these two variables in terms of one fraction, okay? And so this is what we are saying. We'll do want them to be under one fraction. So say we maintain the a minus the bc, okay? B times c, bc over the b. So we maintain the a, okay, minus the subtraction. If it was addition, we'll say plus, minus the BC. This B will multiply the C there and then all over B. So all we did is we tried to rewrite these two numbers under as one fraction. Here is supposed to be like two fraction because C is over 1 and any whole number is over 1. Okay, and so just like two fraction be written as one fraction. So we apply this ideology here. Okay, so we say that is equal to, okay, so want to tackle the numerator first. Okay, the numerator. So a, which is the first one here, the one that is the numerator here is um so that's 2a. Okay, remember is there's going to be a fraction like the b, 2a plus 3, okay, minus, okay, we said minus bc, okay, so minus the b, our b here is 3a, okay, minus 2 times the c times 1. In number times 1 is the same number, so minus 3a minus 2. Remember, here is minus, so let's put that into brackets, okay. We are writing it as a single fraction, divided by 3a minus 2. So we have been able to express this numerator as one fraction now. So the same thing we'll do for the denominator also. So uh, maintaining the first one as just like here, we have 4a plus 6. Because here is positive, it doesn't really have any affection if we don't put the bracket. So plus 3a minus 2 times 1 is the same thing, 3a minus 2 divided by the b, okay, it said over b. So 3a minus 2. Okay, so how do we work on this? How do you do our algebra here? So this is the same as, uh, let me do it here, okay. This is the same as, let's look at it. We want to work with the numerator here, the one on top here, okay. 2a, and then when this negative affect the 3 here to be negative 3. So 2a minus 3 is the same as, just like you have 2 minus 3 is negative 1. The answer here will be negative a, okay. Remember, there's a fraction, so that's why I'm writing it a little smaller, okay. Then when the positive, the negative multiplied by a negative is positive, so minus times minus 2 is positive 2. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, right? So we have plus 5 here divided by this particular uh, uh, denominator, okay, which is 3a minus 2, okay. So now we want to work with this one too, okay. Let's do the algebra here. So we have 4a plus 3a is 7a, okay. And then 6 minus 2 is plus 4 over this particular one here, 3a minus 2. Sorry, it is a little, it looks plenty, but just try to be focused, okay? And so we've been able to express this long, big equation, like trying to simplify it. And so we'll now go further by simplifying this. Remember, when you have a over b all divided by c over d, this is the same as we maintain this particular one, okay, we maintain a over b, then we now uh, reverse the division sign by saying multiplication, okay, multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. The denominator here was c over d, so the reciprocal of c over d is d over c, okay. So the reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2, okay. Are you getting it? So we'll apply that same ideology here. So we'll say that, so here we got negative a plus 5 on 3a minus 2 all divided by 7a plus 4 on 3a minus 2. So uh, just applying this thing here, we'll now have, remember, is negative a, okay, is negative a plus 5 can be rewritten as 5 minus a. Okay, so the same thing. So I want to do that here to make it simpler. So we have 5 minus a on, okay, we are saying this is equal to, on the denominator here is 3a minus 2 times, we said this division sign here will now become multiplication, times the reciprocal of C on D, okay, is D on C. The reciprocal of 2 on 3 is 3 on 2. So the reciprocal of 7a plus 4 on 3a minus 2 is 3a minus 2 on 7a plus 4. Okay, and so from here, when, let's go back here. Okay, this where do I, okay, let me see. Let me use the numbers so that it works. Okay, so 2 on 3 multiplied by 3 on 2 means that this 3 can cancel this, and then these 2 also can cancel. Okay, so the same thing here. 3a, which is the denominator here, will cancel uh, the numerator on the second fraction. Okay, so this cancel out. Okay, and then we are left with 5 minus a on 7a plus 4. And this is final answer they are looking for. Okay, this is what they are asking us to do. So we've been able to express, okay, this expression here. We've been able to express it in terms of a. So we took this expression and we substituted the value of x in there. Okay, and so we worked this, we did our algebra to be able to come up with um, an expression in a terms. Okay, is now in a terms. Thank you.